Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope you are doing good and hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to be showing you or teaching you one of the ways on how to make instant dreads. The hair we are using for today's tutorial is from Expression and it's called reggae. It's just like dreads and there are so many ways you can install this and this is one of it. First, you just want to go ahead to wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner and then dry it. You can use either hand dryer or the normal dryer, and after that we just box braid, and this will determine on how the client wants it. And you should also have it at the back of your mind that the quantity of the box braid will also determine the quantity of the fake dreads on the head. But for her, because her skull is actually small, we decided to make the box braid in medium sizes so that the dreads will be very full. Now for the box braid, you just want to section out the portion of the hair you want to box braid and then divide the portion into 3 equal sizes. To start box braiding, you just hold like 2 pieces or 2 portions of the hair to the left and the other portion to the right. To take out the portion of the hair from the left, you just open the left 2 portions using your index finger. Then pull one of the portions of the hair using both your index finger and your thumb to pull it out to the right. So to take out of the left portion, you just have to make sure that you are rotating the middle piece around itself. So that's how you continue taking from both sides. You just take one from the left side and add it to the right side, and while you are doing that, the middle piece is to be turned around to itself, and then you also go back and take from the left side, the right side to the left side. That's how you continue on get to the tip. And this technique is just for beginners, and if you do want a detailed tutorial, please leave a comment below. So yeah, we'll just allow you guys to watch for yourself and understand for yourself before moving to the next stage. Now we are done box braiding, it's time to start installing the extension. The first thing to do while installing the dreads or the extension is to take the other end of the extension and measure it to our hair, the length of our hair, then use a needle and thread to just secure it firm. So now we have 2 ends, which one side is longer than the other side. After attaching the extension to her scalp, you just bend the 2 ends together, putting her natural hair in between it. This will help cover the hair, that's the natural hair. Then after that, you just start sewing or stitching the both ends together, and as you are stitching, you are making sure that you are covering her natural hair. This sewing is not the regular way of sewing or stitching. In this case, you are sewing both the left and the right in such a way that the thread will not show. So when you take the needle to the left, you have to bring it back through the left and take it to the right, and then bring it back through the right and take it to the left. So that's how you continue stitching. Doing it so that the thread wouldn't show after installation. So I'm just going to continue sewing it, and I will sew it twice. We'll sew straight up to the end of the shortest hair, and then I'll bring it down close to the scalp of her head. So while I'm doing this is because the first sewing is just to join the both ends together, and then the second sewing is just to make sure that the thread or the extension is actually sewed in firm. I'm just going to allow you guys to see for yourself 2 more times so that you get a better understanding on what I'm doing. Like I always say, most of the videos I put out here is just to inspire the most of the upcoming hairstylists, and also to help those of us that cannot afford expensive hairs, closures and frontals. You do not need to break the bank before you look beautiful. Okay, here's the final look. I decided to style the hair this way. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful. Please do leave a comment on what you think and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, just go ahead and subscribe. Don't waste time, just subscribe. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.